Israel burns nearly $1 billion a day in war with Iran. Financial alarm bells ring. Israel is bleeding nearly $1 billion a day amid its escalating war with Iran, according to former Defense Ministry chief economist Riyam Aminak. The staggering military expenditure has triggered serious financial warnings as emergency reserves run dry and economic forecasts take a hit. Aminak estimates Israel is spending around $725 million per day on direct military action, with the first 48 hours alone costing $1.45 billion. This includes both offensive strikes and costly defense systems. Israel's finance ministry has already downgraded its 2025 growth forecast from 4.3% to 3.6%, a reflection of the growing economic strain. While official figures cover only direct military costs, indirect impacts like disrupted commerce and falling productivity loom large. With reserves nearly depleted after the Gaza conflict, fiscal vulnerability is becoming a critical concern. As war expenditures rise, so does Israel's debt to GDP ratio, raising fears of future tax hikes or cuts to social programs. Though Israel has faced economic pressures during past conflicts, experts warn the current pace of spending may be unsustainable if the Iran conflict drags on.